Hi, and welcome to another Koriel Reviews. Today I'm going to be skipping past some of my Witcher content, which I still want to film. I have a lot of figures I want to film, but I got a new package in the mail today. So I'm just going to do an unboxing and then post that immediately and then go back and edit my other videos. I'm going to try filming at my computer desk, which is where I currently am because my webcam is always plugged in, and it's a new webcam that I just got thanks to my brother. Yay! He bought it for me so that I could maybe do more HD things here and I didn't have to move as much and set up my phone and do the whole thing because that's annoying. So I'm going to be showing you what you want to see, which is my unboxing of this. I haven't opened it. It's very exciting. It's the Castlevania Trevor Belmont statue. You can see it's the Netflix official merchandise. So first things first, gotta open this package. This is my closet cosplay for Carmilla. We watched all of season 3 in a day when it came out. Aha! He is very large. The reason why I purchased him was not only because I enjoy the series, but also because his pose is really good. Also, I kind of think he's handsome. Is that a terrible reason to buy a figure? Ah, okay, so he's all one piece, it seems like. Does he come off of his base? No, he does not. Okay. Okay. I like him. So on the package, his whip is going all the way down his body, and right now it's just hanging out at the top. So let me see if I can fix that for him. There we go. And then you have his sweet whip, which looks awesome. The back looks pretty good, I think. The paint job isn't terrible. People were complaining, but it's not that bad. There are probably parts that I will fix. The face isn't the worst. It's not like the picture, but it's not bad. So, there we go. So he looks a little derpy. You can see there's a crest right here. Some people were complaining that it was painted on instead of sculpted, because apparently at the toy fair that this was shown at, it was sculpted, but I think the paint job right there looks fine. This, yep. Doesn't really want to stay on him. For some reason it likes my lamp more. So I turned off the lamp so I could get him to focus a little bit. So you can see his face paint job is kind of weird. But the overall sculpt is really nice. There's some texture for the leather. This back crest is all sculpted. The ground is really nice. Underneath is just hollow. If you're looking at it now online, I just bought it and it hasn't been on the market for too long. It was $26 total on Amazon shipped. And I think that they were going to be closer to the $40 and $50 range. This is the first of this statue line. I don't know if they're going to make more, but it's honestly not that bad, especially for $25. He's a really nice material. He kind of reminds me of Ban Presto Lelouch. He is really tall from Code Geass, and he's actually almost a similar scale. He's one of my taller anime figures too. His paint job is also not super amazing, and this one was also around $25. He also kind of reminds me, I have this Tsunade. She's a knockoff Tsunade. Still more expensive though than this. She was $40, but it looks probably about the same quality, and it's also around the same size. So this is Tsunade from Naruto. So I did note that when I put him down on my table, he's not exactly level. He does teeter a little bit. He's not perfectly flat on the bottom. That doesn't bother me so much, but if that's something that would bother you, it's good to know. From the base, he is 9 inches tall. From his foot to his head, he's more like 10 inches tall, maybe like 9.5 inches tall. You can see. So the actual scale is larger, but because he's crouched, he's a little bit shorter. If you're looking at picking up this Trevor Belmont, you should, because it's nice and it's a really good price point. Thanks for watching my Trevor Belmont unboxing.